Hey, hi, how you doing? YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a box from 6 Cents Fishing as usual, but this is the Super 6 sack. I got the premium version, and this is for the month of August. I got a sneak peek at the standard version of this, but I have been avoiding watching other channels and other unboxings so I can just be surprised 100% by what is inside of my premium 6 Cents Super 6 sack. So let's get into it and see what we got. Alrighty, like I said before, this is the 6 Cents Super 6 sack, the premium edition. It's a subscription box you can get every single month, just like Christmas, except better because it's high quality fishing gear. Well, fishing lures too. But we got our KT knife here. We're gonna open this bad boy up. Maybe if I don't cut too far into it, that would be a good idea. Nice. Thing's almost too sharp. Alrighty. Got this right here. It's got a code for the Super 6 sack. I think 10% off the Super 6 sack, and a code for buy 5 packs of plastic and get 1 or less value for free. So that's pretty cool. That's a good deal. Hang on to that. Throw this box over here. Alright. So this month is got a really cool color. This is like a, I don't know, like a slate gray color. This is the Super 6 premium sack. So I like that color. They always come in these nice soft bags here, which you can reuse for anything. I always use mine for like extra soft plastics. But let's open this thing up here. Not even gonna look inside, we're just gonna start grabbing things. Ooh, nice. I just ordered these in one of my recent videos, and it is the Divine Shaky Worm in green pumpkin blue. That color is sweet. Crack that open. Give a closer look for you guys. I love the blue flake in this green pumpkin color. Wow, that looks free. That just looks amazing. I don't know how well you guys can see that blue flake in there. But yeah. First thing in the August Super 6 sack is the Divine Shaky Worm. I love these, fishing around cover and on the edge of grass, or maybe in the grass, dragging on the bottom, whatever, you know. It's amazing. It's 10 count of soft plastics Divine Shaky Worms and 6.3 inch. If you get the 7 inch Divine Shaky Worms, it's going to be an 8 count. So remember that. Next thing in here is kind of soft. So this is good, probably a piece of gear rather than a lure. Ooh. Oh man, check that out. This is the 6 Cents Fishing rod sleeve that everybody loves. I think these are made out of, neoprene. This is the royal blue color. Man, that looks awesome. I can't wait to use that. Rod sleeves are super important, especially if you're like storing them in your car or a rod locker on your boat. But yeah, here is the 6 Cents rod sleeve in royal blue. Sweet, I'll put that on my rod later. And if you want to look on Instagram, I'll probably post it up on there. I'll leave a link in the description below. Heck yes! I've been wanting to try one of these. This is the 6th Sense Hybrid Swim Crank. And that is in Shad Burst. Man, that color is amazing. It's like Ghost with a little bit of chrome lateral line with a black hue over top of the lateral line. Oh man. Let's get a closer look at this hybrid swim crank. I've used the Speed Glides, which I think these are somewhat based upon, but they added a bill to it. So you can just kind of crank it in like a crankbait. And this might be a little smaller. No, I think it might be the same size as the Speed Glide, but there it is. See almost straight through it. What a natural shad color. I might use this in the river because we got shiners that look exactly like this. But yeah, the detail and quality on this thing is amazing. There's that bill right there, so you can just kind of crank it in. I love that pearl white belly too. That is gonna catch some fish. I cannot wait to try this out. Amazing. Beautiful bait. Beautiful bait. Put that back in the package. And these do come with those sharp black nickel hooks, which just grip onto absolutely everything. The next thing is another hard bait. I was just talking about this. These 6th Sense Speed Glide. Sweet. I love this bait. I've used it. I've caught a few good fish on it, and it's an interesting thing to throw around. The technique is a little bit different, but you can do a lot with it. This is Ghost Hot Herring. Get a closer look. It's got a pink hue to it with a green scale looking back, white belly. There's the 6th Sense Speed Glide 100 in the, what color was that again? Ghost Hot Herring. So it's a little see-through, but from far away it doesn't, without the light it doesn't look see-through. A little bit of pink and some purple and some blue hues on it. That is gonna get chewed. So we'll probably use that soon. Lots of big baits here to catch big fish. Next up, yet another hard bait. Ooh, this is a Crush 50S Silent. I have the Crush 100S in Silent, but that's in Rayburn Ghost. That color is sweet. I've never seen a color quite like that. So let's get it out of the package here. Hopefully you guys can see all these colors and all the details up close. I know my camera's not the greatest because it's just an iPhone, but there you go. Another ghost color so you can see straight through it. But it's got purple, blue, kind of like iridescent stripes you can barely see in there, a little bit of yellow at the bottom. But yeah, the Crush 50S or X, they dive I think 2 to 5 feet. So this is a great bait if you're on the bank, just like along with the Movement 80X or the Movement Wake. It's a great shallow diving crankbait. I have yet to catch fish on one of these yet, but I've caught fish on their other shallow diving crankbaits, and they're good. Last but not least, I think, no, it feels like there's 2 things in here, so. Whew, yes! Sweet. I'm actually going to use these soon. We got the 6th Sense Ox flipping hooks. I never use flipping hooks, but I do want to try them. So these are a 4/0, so perfect size. It's got the bait holder, so your bait stands straight up. doesn't slip, all that good stuff. So yeah, 6 cents ox flipping hooks. Gonna put those to work. And feels like there's one more thing in here. And to go with their flipping hooks here, if you got some bullet weights, they gave some Peg X stoppers. I heard these are a little bit better, or way better actually, than most peg stoppers because they actually stay on your line and don't move around as easily. So excited to use those. But yeah, let's do a review of what we got here. We got the Crush 50S Silent and Rayburn Ghost. We got the Peg X stoppers, the 6 cents ox flipping hooks, the Speed Glide 100 and Ghost Hot Herring, and the hybrid swim crank. I have not used one of these yet. I'm super excited to try it in a shad burst. Last but not least, we have the Divine Shaky Worm and the Green Pumpkin Blue. That color is amazing. That's gonna get chewed. But we got all this cool stuff to use. We're in late summer right now / fall transition. So these actually these bigger bait fish imitations, these ghost colors are gonna be amazing out on the water right now because the bass are gonna be feeding up quite a bit here and for the next few months before it gets cold. You gotta get nice and fat. It means you're gonna catch bigger fish, and you're gonna catch much bigger fish using these 6 cents fishing lures. But yeah, if you guys want to check this subscription out, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to check out my Instagram again, it's at Mike Goes Fishing. I'll leave a link in the description below. But if you liked this video, leave a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. That would be amazing. A lot of you watching my videos that do watch my videos aren't subscribing. So if you guys could do that, that would make me so happy, and I appreciate it so much. And then leave a comment. Let me know what you liked, what you want to see, and what you didn't like. Either way, I'll respond to it, and I'll respond to it with some positivity, no matter what. So, have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.